There is a new AI video lip sync software in town. You need to watch this video till the end to know how to use it. If not, you are just going to waste all your credits.
It's so good, it can make your photos talk for long.
Even pets like me can also talk with the help of this new AI tool.
In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get access to this very new AI lip sync platform, and you will be able to have access to over 300 credits that you can use to test out this website and see if it is something for you or not. The platform is versatile and you would really enjoy using it. Without further delay, let's just dive right in. This is the fantastic website I'm talking about, lipsync.video. Click on the link in the description and it will bring you right here. You might not need to sign up if you don't want to, but if you sign up, you have more benefits. Without having to sign up, you get 50 credits that you can use to generate AI lip sync, talking videos, and any other thing you would want on this platform. But I will advise you to click on the sign up button and sign up using your Google account because you get more credits. As you can see, if I sign up, I get 300 more credits for just signing up. So I'll sign in with my Google account. As you can see, I've gotten extra 300 credits plus the 50 credits I would have gotten if I did not sign up. And now you can read this bonus for newcomer. If you sign in every single day, you get to have more credits that you can use to generate video lip syncs on this platform. So let's just cancel that. Welcome to the user interface, and these are so many amazing tools you can use to create talking avatar. We have the AI lip sync, talking photo, AI baby podcast, AI cartoon lip sync, AI pets, dialogue videos, and drawing lip sync. So whichever one you want to use, you can use. We're going to be starting this tutorial with this very first one here, which is the AI lip sync. This particular one works with already animated videos. So I'm just going to click here to upload my animated video. And this is the requirements. Take note of the requirements: the resolution, facing the camera, clear photo, and the lighting condition. Okay, so I'm going to be using this very first one here. As you can see, there are two models here. This LipSync 1.0 and LipSync 2.0. This is actually the best. This will give you quality animated lip sync. Okay, so use this one. It might cost more credits, but this will get you better results. Another thing I noticed about this platform is when you paste your scripts here, or you upload your audio, or you record a voice right here, whichever one you do, the longer the words that you want the talking avatar to say, the more credit is going to burn. So take note of that. So I'm going to paste my scripts right here. So this is what I want you to say. This is where to select the voice. Come to language, I'll click English. I'll come to gender and I'll click female. I'll come to age and I'll click on child. I'll select this playful girl. This is the one I want, and I click on confirm. I don't want it to give a subtitle, so I'm going to uncheck this right here. If you don't mind, you can leave it at that. And this is an expression. You can decide to want to give your avatar an expression: sad, neutral, happy, angry, fearful, disgusted, surprised, anyhow you want it. And also there's a settings icon here that allows you adjust the volume, the speed, and the pitch at which your avatar delivers their speech. Okay, so I'm not going to be doing all that. I'm just going to leave it. And as you can see, it's going to cost us 36 credits. If these words were to be longer than this, it's going to cost me more credits than this. Okay, I currently have 350 credits, which is the bonus I got for signing up into this particular platform. And this is going to help us test this platform out. So I'm just going to click on create. Just click on it once and you can see at the top right corner your video is being created, and you can view it under my creations. This is my creations buttons, and if you click here you would see that your video is currently undergoing processes. So it's here processing, and we're just going to hold on for a few seconds. So now our video is ready. Let's check out what it cooked for us. I'm just going to tap on this place and I click on play.
Zara Studios, the best YouTube channels for all trending AI tools.
Wow, that is fantastic. Like I said, if you select the second model that is more costly, it's going to come better. I have once created one and the model I choose didn't bring out a good result at all. I'm going to be showing the video for you side by side so that you can see the error I'm talking about. So let's just cancel this. To download this, all you have to do is click right here and it will download this onto your device easily and effortlessly. And done, it has downloaded. Now let's go back to the home page by clicking on the logo right here. Let's test out this talking photo. Click right here to upload a photo. This one works best with a photograph, and these are the requirements. So I'm just going to click here and click here to upload this particular image. And as you can see, we also have different models. So I'm going to be using this particular model right here because it gives the best. It is the latest model. You can see it is new and it gives better results. It helps animate your character, like subtle head movements and hand gestures and the likes. While these ones here will just only allow the mouth to talk. In the video you're seeing on your left hand side, this is the version I used. And the video you're seeing on your right hand side, this is the version I used. So you can see that there is subtle animation which makes the character look natural. So now I'm just going to paste in my script and select the voice and click on generate. So this is the text I want this character to say. Look up here. If I click here, this particular number of text is going to cost me 7 credits. And if I select another model, this second model is going to cost me 7 credits as well. If I select this third model, you can see the credits has increased to 28. This is also going to cost me 28 credits, which is not bad at all. Considering the fact that this platform gives me 350 credits sign up bonus. Okay, so I'm just going to select the voice. So I'm changing this to English, female, age, young, and I'm clicking this calm woman. I click on confirm. I don't want subtitles, so I have just removed the subtitle. I'll click on generate and we'll wait for that to generate. So this is the video it created.
If you are yet to subscribe to Zara Studios, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now.
As you can see, the lip sync is perfect. There's a subtle head movement that gives it an amazing human-like feel that I love. If you use the particular first model that is cheaper, only the mouth will be moving and it will look so unrealistic. Okay, so take note of that. That is why I said you need to watch this video to the end so you don't waste your credits. Okay, now let's test out the next set of models here. So I'm so much interested in this dialogue feature, so the rest is more similar. I'm just going to click on the dialogue, and here you can decide to upload an image of two people talking together, two people seated and facing each other or talking or something. And you can decide to just select from any of these images right here. Okay, you can select from any of these images right here. So I'll go with this Obama and this other guy, like an interview podcast style. As you can see, this is the very first conversation, and this is the second conversation. To add a conversation to this, I had to type all these conversations one by one. And if you want to import your own audio, just click here to import an audio for each of the conversations. Okay, so click here to select the particular voice you want for your conversation, and don't forget to select that particular voice for each of the conversation. As you can see, this is the orange and this is the blue, so all your orange conversation has to be the same voice and all the blue conversation has to be the same voice so that it will come out as a dialogue and the way it should. Okay, if you want to add more talks to it, just click here to add more conversation and it will be added. As you can see, it's going to cost us 64 credits to create this. So I'm just going to click on generate. And this is the dialogue feature that was generated for us. Let's play it and see.
What do you think about the AI revolution?
AI is currently getting out of hands, and humans are now the ones trying to catch up with it.
But a lot of people are making money with AI right now.
That right? Those are the smart ones. Others are just watching instead of learning and getting on the moving train.
Zara Studios is one of the best YouTube channel to learn about AI.
That is it, guys. This is super amazing, except for the fact that there is no emotion and no subtle movements like the head movements, like a little bit of body language is not there. So I think this platform really needs to work more on this dialogue feature to make it look real and enhance it a little bit more. To download this, just click right here and this will be downloaded onto your device. This is the AI cartoon lip sync, and as you can see, there are a lot of AI cartoons that you can select here to animate. So I'm just going to use this one. For this is the model we're going to be using. Type in your script here, what you want the person to say. I'm going to turn off this subtitle, and you can see it's going to cost us 36 credits. We still have about 222 credits left. So I'm just going to click on generate, and we'll wait for that to generate. This platform is super amazing. I think you should try it out yourself. They also have a pricing page where you can check out what is going on, the prices, and the like.
Let me know where you are watching me from right now. Type your location in the comments section.
This is not bad at all. So do well to type your location in the comment section. I'd really love to meet you. And if you're getting value from this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome and amazing content like this. I'm sure you got value from this video, so do well to give it a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on post notification. Do let me know where you're watching me from in the comment section. If you got value, type value in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. But before you go, do well to check out some of my previous videos, and I assure you, you will not be disappointed. Peace out.